Hi, my beautiful souls. How are you doing? Hope you all are doing good. This is Neha Tanka. Welcome back to my channel. You guys also know me as Luna, the Moon Tarot. So let's see what are the current energy updates of your person towards you and towards this particular connection. What are their next actions or steps going to be? Where this connection is headed towards? Whether you are in a no contact or a separation situation, whether you're dealing with a twin flame, soulmate, whether you're dealing with somebody you have your eyes upon, crush, okay, or you are with somebody who is in a runner chaser dynamics right now, and you want to understand, even if they have moved on, do they really think about you still or not? So today we are going to do a deep dive. We are going to check the past energies, the present energies, and the futuristic energies, and basis that I'm going to suggest you spell works, so do not leave the video in between. 10th of July is full moon, and it is a very powerful day to conduct spell works. So I'm going to go ahead and suggest a spell work that you can book with me, and I will help you to reconcile or reunite with your person, or if there's a third party situation as well, we will go ahead and deep dive there as well. Okay, so let's see. You know the drill. Connect to my energies by liking this particular video, and in the comment section drop I claim, and let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings of your person towards you. Think of their name, take 3 deep breaths, and double click. All right. The very first card that came out is the Fool card. Something tells me that your person is someone who is not very serious by nature, by default. This person is someone who takes everything very casually, very lightly, and in the past it seems they took this connection also very casually. They want to take this leap of faith, leap of faith right now. They want to dive in right now. In case if you've been asking whether there is a reconciliation, whether there is a start, and is there a new beginning that is going to come in your connection, there are high chances, yes, there will be. And just when I said that, I see a soulmate union happening here in upcoming 2 months or 2 weeks itself. I see this union happening. I see the possibility that your person will be coming back to you, reconciling with you. I see this emotional exchange is going to happen, and I see a new beginning is about to start in this particular situation. This is such a beautiful reading, guys. It is full of positivity and good, and hopes and good things that are about to come in your life. I see love coming in. I see emotions overflowing. I see a lot of good things happening in your love life. I see things are going to change in your surroundings, and I feel that with the King of Wands, this person is now ready to take an action. Having said that, I feel that this person has a habit of coming and leaving this particular connection every now and then. So, in this particular situation, I feel that this person was somebody in the past, has been quite inconsistent since beginning. This person has been non-committal. This person has been really laid back when it comes to commitment, deadlines, timelines, or whatsoever. But I do see they have been quite inconsistent. One moment they are something, and just when they are gone, they behave absolutely in a very different way. The hermit tells me that right now it seems like they have gone into a shell, and it tells me that they are trying to do some deep dive. They are doing a lot of soul searching. They are doing a lot of um, you know um, direction searching as to where this particular connection is going to go, and the direction they need to give to this particular connection, because I see all of a sudden they're feeling that particular pull towards you. They know that there is something more than just a relationship. There is something more in this particular relationship, in this particular connection, and they have gone into a solitude state of mind, and they right now seems to be like completely in their zone, in their shell. And even if they are being asked by friends to catch up, to come, to meet them. I see that they are actually declining all the plans. They are not socializing right now. It seems like they are more looking inwards rather than outwards. And this particular transition or realization that is coming is because of you. They want to have a second chance, they want to have a new beginning. And with divine timing, I see this is going to happen. The reconciliation is going to happen with divine timing. You are with your soulmate, you are with your twin flame. For few of you, I see there is a new beginning. The reconciliation is there. If you're going through a no contact or separation situation, then yes, 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 the answer, the answer to your questions is right now all in yes, because I am getting all the positive cards, not even a single negative card. They are going to come, they are going to invest in this particular connection the way you have been investing from a very long time. They understand, they realize that they were the one who were lacking the investment in this particular connection, and now they want to come forward. They want to invest in this connection equally. They want to put in efforts in this connection equally. For few of you, this is not going to resonate with majority of you what I'm about to say, but there can be a third party situation as well. Probably your person was invested in another connection. I see that they were putting in efforts, but they were putting in efforts in a wrong way. Okay. And I feel that somewhere down the line, with the Three of Pentacles, this person was involved with someone else, and that point of time you sort of moved away, you sort of pulled away, and you made yourself very clear that this is not what you are looking for, and this is not what you should be getting. you know Breadcrumbs, I would say. This person was only giving you and serving you breadcrumbs, nothing more than that. For few, I also see they were very busy with work, and that's why there was a lot of back and forth things that were happening in the past. I do see that this person know that you are in love with them, and they do care for you as well. There are emotions involved, all right? It's just that this person is not showing it right now, but there are emotions involved. Okay. I see the negative cycle is going to get over. They went away, they pulled away, or you pulled away, you went away. Now that particular separation, the no contact, is about to end. I am hearing 8 days or 21st of July, post 21st of July, or 21 days. So expect something to come by the end of this month, which is July. In any case, maximum, minimum can be in 8 days as well. All right. So expect something to come in, and I do see that that is going to that is going to make you really happy. By the way, there's one card that flew out, that is Hangman. So I'm not going to put it up, lift it up. But Hangman tells me that right now everything is not making sense. They are also hanging right in the middle, and they left you right in the middle. But right now there's certain realization that is hitting them hard. This person has gone a little spiritual. Okay, they are trying to think what exactly they have to do, and they have gone little inwards, and they have gone a little spiritual as to what exactly they want to do, and accordingly they will take an action. Okay, they will take an action accordingly. With the Tower card, I see realization hitting them hard, them getting awakened towards this particular this particular connection. And I see in past when they actually pushed you away, now's the time when they are going to unblock you. They are going to stop pushing you away. They are going to come back. They are going to come out of this stubborn behavior and this comfortable life that they were living. With the Knight of Swords, I see them coming charged up towards you. They are charging towards you, and I would not be surprised if you just watch this video and after 2 to 3 days you come back to me and you DM me that Neha, aka Luna, do you know what really happened? My person actually came to me and we started talking, but we actually ended up in an argument. So that is what you have to avoid, because Knight of Swords tells me there's a fast moving action which is going to come towards you from this person. But you have to beware, because this person is going to come out of impulse, and when things happen out of nowhere, there are chances that you guys may end up arguing right now. So in case if something of that sort happens, just keep in mind that you have to diffuse such situation. Do not get indulged, do not get involved in this particular situation right now, wherein they, if they are saying something and you also get involved in a fight with them. All right, I'll have to pick this one up because I didn't see it. Okay. Oh my god. We have lovers, guys. Twin flame connection. There's super cool chemistry. This chemistry is like you cannot move on. You cannot leave them because the attraction is very strong. The pull is very strong. The magnetism that you feel towards this person is very, very strong. So I do see that, yes. Um, there is a reconciliation and this person is madly in love with you. They may not have expressed it, but I think this particular situation that happened between you and your person happened in a correct way. The reason why I said that it happened the correct way, because if it didn't happen, they, you know this person would have not ever realized the value of having you in their life. Okay, now they're charging, they're coming forward towards you, okay, with a solid offer. They're coming towards you with a solid offer, guys. And I think, people, if you want to fast track this particular situation, and if you want to reconcile, let me help you reconcile with your partner by booking. You can go ahead and you can book love reconciliation and communication spell work if there is zero communication or no contact. In case if there is a contact but they are not communicating the way they used to, then go for love obsession. And in case if you're just waiting for the commitment to come in, rest everything is fine, then manage commitment. All right. Otherwise, you can go for 21 days love combo. Like I say, that is the best love spell and it has never disappointed me. 75 to 85% of my clients have received A1 results through that. You can book that. And there is also a mini love combo for 3 days. If you don't have the budget, then you can go for 3 days love mini combo. All right, so I'm gonna leave the things in description. In case if you would like to go ahead and book, you can go ahead and book. And the bookings are open till today night, because tomorrow is full moon, which is 10th of July, and I'm going to start with the spell work. This is going to be very powerful, very impactful full moon, so do not miss out on this particular event. I see commitment. Okay, I see Ace of Pentacles. I see long due, long awaited commitment coming your way. Stability, security that you ever wanted in your connection is coming your way. And now all of a sudden you'll be like, oh god, I'm confused, what's happening all of a sudden, why this person is behaving like that. Now when you have everything, now you'll be feeling confused, because when you have been thinking about future with this person, you were like, okay, I have to be patient, I have to heal. I feel that some few people who are watching it right now, I feel that few of you actually took your power back and you started healing, you started focusing on yourself. And just when you energetically disconnected yourself with this from this person, that is when things started rolling for you. So in case if you've been doing that, that's a perfect way to get your person back or to manifest things. Once you manifest, leave it out on the universe, do your daily chores and energetically disconnect yourself. All right, with the Queen of Wands, I feel that right now you're gonna take you're gonna get back to your power, you're gonna take your power back and you're gonna make things happen. You're not going to, you're standing tall, you're standing strong on your things, you're not backing down. And I see this person is coming towards you with an apology. Such a beautiful reading, guys. I feel that this full moon is an opportunity for you to get back with your love, and this love is going to be the love of your life, because I see you are, majority of you people are dealing with your soulmate slash twin flame connection, and this connection you have felt in your bones and it has always given you those chills. And I see if it is a no contact period, and now is the time, guys, trust me. You can go ahead, you can book you can book the spell work with me. And the thing is, it is not going to disappoint you. I like I said. Okay, in case if you want to book a reading with me, then again the slots are open. Book a reading with me ASAP. Tomorrow is going to be a heavy full moon day. I'm not going to keep the slots open for long, so please go ahead and book your slots for spell work as well. Very few left. In case if it gets booked by tonight, I'm going to book it all up. I'm going to close the slots or the window. In case not, then maybe by tomorrow first half the slots will still remain open. So do not delay it. Let's help you reconcile with your person and remove the third party by booking a third party removal spell work. So I'm going to see you later. Bye bye, guys.